Masha Allah. Masha Allah. Masha Allah means wow. Masha Allah. Masha Allah. Wow. Masha Allah is an expression of praise and approval. Its literal meaning is as good as God wished. As God wished. Suppose your son has achieved success in exam and your friends says mashallah, mashallah, wow. It's an expression of praise and approval. Its literal meaning is as God wished. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Inshallah, inshallah. Inshallah means God willing. God willing. Inshallah means God willing. We will see the use of this word in a sentence. हम वहाँ इंशाल्लाह आइंदा माह जाएंगे. हम वहाँ इंशाल्लाह आइंदा माह जाएंगे. We will be going there next month, God willing. We will be going there next month, God willing. Inshallah, God willing. हम वहाँ इंशाल्लाह आइंदा माह जाएंगे. हम वहाँ इंशाल्लाह आइंदा माह जाएंगे. We will be going there next month, God willing. Fi amanillah. Fi amanillah means God is speed. Fi amanillah means God is speed. Or it means may God protect you. Fi amanillah means God is speed. We say these words especially to someone who is going on a travel. If someone is going on a travel, then we use these words, fi amanillah. It means may God protect you. May God protect you. Fi amanillah. Jazakallah. Jazakallah. Jazakallah means bless you. Jazakallah means bless you. We use Jazakallah to thank someone for doing something good for us. If someone has done something good for us, then we say Jazakallah. 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 Jazakallah, its literal meaning is may Allah compensate you for this. Jazakallah. Jazakallah. Bless you.